As you can see here, I'm currently using Python 3.1.5 in my Jupyter notebook, and you might be running something older, probably 2 point something, probably 3.8 or 3.9. But in any case, let's see how we can upgrade our Python version. All right, so let's minimize this, press Windows and open your command prompt. And now let's create a new virtual environment. So type Conda, create n, and let's give a name to our virtual environment that will have a higher Python version, right? So let's say upgraded by, and we want to use, let's say, Python version 3.12 because that is the latest one right now. Let's hit enter, and this virtual environment will be created with Python 3.12. So let's wait for a few seconds. So now we have this question here, so hit Y and enter. Now Python 3.12 is being downloaded for that virtual environment. Now our environment with Python 3.12 is ready. So let's copy this name, or remember this, it's upgraded py. Now let's activate the environment. So now as you can see here, we are currently in our upgraded environment. So if we check the Python version now, it is Python 3.12. So we have this environment ready here, but how to make this usable in Jupyter Notebook? To do that, we need to set up IPY kernel. First, let's install IPY kernel here. Now that our IPY kernel is installed, write this command to set up IPY kernel. So now type a kernel name that will be used in our Jupyter Notebook. Let's say py3 arnel and hit enter. So now our IPY kernel is ready. So let's reload this. And now let's choose our newly created kernel. So click on kernel, go down to change kernel and click on py3 kernel. This is the one that we just created, right? And once it's ready, we will run this again. Okay, hit Control Enter to run this. Now, as you can see, we have upgraded our Python version. It is currently 3.12. Now, to create a new notebook with that version of Python, just reload this too, and select our newly created Python version. And now this notebook is also using Python 3.12. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.